In the early 80s, when I washed up on the shore, I could breathe a little more than I would realize. You can call me crazy, you can call me what you will. You could take the bitter pill if it helps you sleep at night. It's a long, long way, my crooked friend. Such a long, long way back home. We feel as safe as we like, lest we forget those who died. I never will. Such a perfect island tucked away in the sea, the real land of the free. Do you hear me? It's a long way home, my crooked friend, but I do appreciate the time we spend.
Traveling in a fried-out combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, do you come from a land down under, where women go and men wonder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better take cover. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscle.